Imagine a world where a single pill could treat not just your symptoms, but you specifically. How could personalized medicine transform our healthcare system? This is not a futuristic concept, but a blossoming reality. Welcome to the era of personalized medicine, where healthcare is tailored to your unique genetic makeup and medical history. This revolution in healthcare has the potential to drastically reduce trial and error in treatment plans, minimize side effects, and increase overall patient satisfaction. But how does it work? It begins with understanding the individual's unique genetic makeup and medical history. Here's where the fascinating world of mathematics steps in. Mathematical models, like the McGinty Equation, play a pivotal role in developing these personalized treatment plans. This equation, deeply rooted in quantum field theory and fractal structures, helps in understanding the complex dynamics of human physiology. To delve deeper into this subject, let's explore the McGinty Equation and its relevance to personalized medicine. The McGinty Equation, a sophisticated mathematical model, provides a unique perspective on personalized medicine. This equation, in its simplest form, is represented as piece xt equal sign piece qft xt plus piece fractal xt dmqs, where piece qft xt is the solution of free quantum field theory, and piece fractal xt dmqs represents mechanical systems. Here's a breakdown of these components. The quantum field theory element, denoted by piece qft xt, illustrates the fundamental framework of quantum mechanics. It helps in understanding the behavior of particles at the quantum level, which is crucial in determining how different drugs interact with our bodies at the molecular level. The fractal term, piece fractal xt dmqs, is fascinating in its own right. Fractals are self-similar structures, a pattern that repeats itself at every scale. This mirrors the complex recursive patterns found in our bodies, from the branching of our lungs and blood vessels to the folding of proteins. This part of the equation represents the individual's unique physiological characteristics, which can vary significantly due to genetic and environmental factors. In a modified version of the McGinty equation, we also account for the perturbative effects of gravity on the quantum field, represented as scravity xt(g). Gravity, represented by g, is a fundamental force that subtly influences biological systems. For instance, it impacts how fluids distribute in our body, which can affect drug circulation and effectiveness. By integrating these components, the McGinty equation attempts to create a mathematical representation of an individual's health. It's a holistic approach that takes into account the intricate interplay between quantum mechanics, fractal geometry, and gravity to provide a unique perspective on an individual's health. As complex as the McGinty equation might seem, it's all about creating a precise, tailored approach to healthcare. By considering these diverse factors, we can develop treatment plans that are highly personalized, potentially improving the effectiveness of therapies and enhancing patient outcomes. The modified McGinty equation takes the original model one step further by incorporating the effects of gravity. Now, you might be thinking, gravity in medicine? Yes, indeed, it's as fascinating as it sounds. The McGinty equation, with its roots in quantum field theory and fractal mathematics, provides a mathematical approach to personalized medicine. It considers an individual's unique genetic makeup and medical history to create highly tailored treatment plans. But the modified McGinty equation goes a step further. In this modified equation, we introduce a new term, scravity xt(g). This term represents the perturbative effects of gravity on the quantum field. Here, g is a parameter that characterizes the strength of the gravitational force. So, you see, the equation isn't just a set of numbers and symbols. It is a finely tuned representation of the forces at work within our bodies, including gravity. But why gravity, you might ask? Well, every force, every interaction in our universe, including those in the microscopic world of our cells, can be influenced by gravity. Just as it holds our feet to the ground, gravity can impact the behavior of particles in our body at the quantum level. And it is these subtle effects that the modified McGinty equation captures. By incorporating gravity, the modified McGinty equation acknowledges that we are not just a sum of our genes and our medical history. We are also a product of the larger universe and its fundamental forces. This inclusion of gravity allows for a more nuanced understanding of our bodies and how they respond to treatment. It's like adding another layer of precision to an already intricate map. It doesn't change the landscape, but it does provide more detail. It's these details that can make all the difference when it comes to personalized medicine. With the addition of gravity, the modified McGinty equation provides an even more nuanced model for personalized treatment plans. And that, dear listeners, is the beauty of marrying mathematics with medicine. It allows us to see not just the bigger picture, but also the tiniest of details that make each of us unique. The McGinty equation and its modified version are more than just complex mathematical models. They represent a revolution in our approach to healthcare, a shift towards personalized medicine that considers each individual's unique genetic makeup and medical history. The McGinty equation, symbolized as PES-XT, involves a free quantum field theory solution, PSQFT-XT, and a fractal term, PES-fractal XTDMQS. The fractal potential term, VYT, has a self-similar fractal structure, which is described by constant parameters. This fractal correction term can be derived using integral calculus, Laplace transform, and the convolution theorem. In the modified McGinty equation, an additional term, gravity, XTG, is introduced to represent the perturbative effects of gravity on the quantum field. Here, G is a parameter that characterizes the strength of the gravitational force. These equations may seem abstract, but they have very real applications in the field of medicine. By incorporating the principles of quantum field theory and fractal mathematics, the McGinty equation can be used to create highly personalized treatment plans. Imagine a world where each patient receives a treatment plan that is perfectly tailored to their genetic makeup and medical history. A world where we can predict with high accuracy how a patient's body will respond to a particular treatment, reducing the risk of adverse reactions and increasing the likelihood of successful outcomes. That's the promise of personalized medicine, and the McGinty equation could help us realize this vision. Of course, we still have a long way to go. Further research and development are needed to fully understand and apply the principles of the McGinty equation in a clinical setting, but the potential is there, and the rewards could be immense. As we continue to explore the potential of personalized medicine, the McGinty equation may well be a key piece of the puzzle, leading us towards a future where healthcare is truly tailored to the individual.